Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my first video on YouTube. So friends, today our topic is how to disassemble CD writer or DVD writer. Friends, this is the DVD writer and this one is CD writer. So let's begin the video. Friends, first of all we have to open all the screws. Here we have taken out. एक मिनट रुक जाओ. Friends, first we have to put a needle into this tiny hole so that here this one, the disc tray comes out. After that we have to pull out this one, and now friends, we have also see in this way this one is comes out. Okay, friends, after that we have to pull this one and this comes out. So our next step is to take out the cabinet. See friends, as you can see, here is a lock or pull button. We have to press this one from both sides. Due to this, see, the paper tray, the disc tray comes out perfectly. Friends, this is our logic board. We have to pull this one and simply comes out. We have to pull this one and you can see the logic board perfectly. Okay, friends, this is the lens, and here there is a spindle motor. Friend, there is also a motor, and there is a strip rod. Friend, there is a rubber. See, we have to push this lock from both sides, and this one is open. We have taken out all the components inside the CD writer, and in the DVD writer all the components are also same. Okay, so friends, at the last, if you like the video, so subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends and put a like in my video. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.